Wow, he's just smoking, huh?
Oh, she's leaking cold. What's up, guys, and welcome to Grill Cafe. We're here for a very, very special episode because we're at the biggest adult playground you could possibly come to in Alberta, and that's McLean Creek. I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, welcome to another episode of Grill Cafe. Today we are at McLean Creek, and I'm telling you, this is like one of the first times I've really got to test the Explorer, and I'm so jacked. I got my buddy here, Matt, with me, and we're pretty excited because literally this is going to help us test how real far the Explorer will go. Some of these mud bugs get really bad. For instance, we're about to go through some chewy mud puddle. There we go. Nothing, like nothing. So hope you guys enjoy. Honestly, this has been a blast, and if you have recommendations, this thing definitely needs a lot of work. But today we're going to have some fun in the sun and see how far this thing will go.
Don't go that way.
We're going up. Don't go that way. I just go up the way. There we go. We're going up. So you can do like beginner stuff. Like honestly, there's no lift kit on the Explorer. It has basic all-season tires on it, and you know you can pretty much do a bunch of different runs. I mean, I think that it's dry enough today that I don't feel like I'm gonna fall into a mud puddle or something. There were some ones earlier before we started shooting. Oh, that looks steep. That I felt maybe would have swallowed the Explorer. Oh, wow. There we go. That was just a small one. One big tip that I didn't, one big tip that I made sure to follow is that if you're gonna go 4x4ing in a stock vehicle, do not do it alone. We are prepared. We have a jack, we have tie straps. I'm kind of expecting that we're gonna get stuck, and yeah, I really don't know what to expect. Fusion doesn't do too much off-roading, as all of you guys know. And so the Explorer is pretty capable. I just feel, oh boy, that's gonna bottom out. You know? Oh yeah, we're on the frame. Okay, now let's get off the frame. There we go. Had to back off that one. It's probably not a good thing. That's pretty steep. This one, I think we're okay on this one. But you know, the idea is that we're going to put some nice all-terrain tires, some really good quality brakes, and some bit of a lift kit. Now, I don't have any of that on now, so she is bone stock besides those cosmetic things we've done. And honestly, it's a blast. You know, so when you come out to McLean Creek, enjoy yourself. You can do all sorts of levels, but just don't come alone. And if you come with, like, you know, if you come out here, prepare for, you know, getting stuck. Bring your straps, bring, you know, whatever kind of things you think you need. I would say most of the runs and stuff we've done are like technical. You know, it's like, most of the stuff is like takes finesse to like try to get through certain areas. Like right now we're gonna go through this like creek area. You can go under a big tree and it falls on you, or you can go through this little creek, or I don't know, puddle like creek.
It doesn't look little.
Let's see. It doesn't look little. You're alright, you're right. Let's see. Go in, nice and slow, nice and easy. Easy does it. What's the other side look like? Nice little creek. Woo! So yeah, just if you're gonna come out here, have some fun. Honestly, at all levels of expertise. Oh my gosh, I'm not going in that. That looks like a giant clay pit. Oh boy. The most stuff I enjoy while the Explorer is actually stock is the ruts.
Go over there, man.
Yeah, I'll pick that line. That thing, that's a lot drier than what it was.
Yeah.
Oh.
You deal with that guy, yeah. Stay.
Let's go this way. This way? Okay. Oh boy. But it's a blast. I mean, honestly, like I said at the beginning, like this is like a giant adult playground. Like just bring your ride, bring your dirt bike, bring your quad, bring your truck. Hell, bring your Cavalier and come out and have some fun. Honestly, I wish Matt would have brought his Cobalt. Because we'd hit the first bump and it would just like fly in pieces, so that'd be pretty fun. Were you okay?
I wonder if we need to zoom in. Okay, let's see. Wow, he's just smoking, huh?
Oh, she's making corn. Hot. I think she produced enough pressure that. All right, gearheads. Well, that wraps up our episode. We're here at the beginning where the everybody starts off, and the Explorer is officially dead in the water, at least for a little bit. She overheated a little bit. I think she has her coolant leak, and I think it's starting to catch up with her. So she is smoking, and I think it's from one of the leaks on the side of the radiator that I had before. But I appreciate you guys for watching the video. I'll make sure to fill you guys in if we end up being stranded here. But as for today's video, I hope you enjoyed it. I know we have a lot of fun doing it, a lot of fun pushing our vehicles. Take care and do what moves you.